Namaskar. Today I am going to give you one healthy recipe for a very healthy drink to supplement your diet with calcium. Most people know that calcium is required for the health of your bones and teeth. Did you know that calcium is also required for an efficient blood circulation in your body? Did you know that calcium helps your muscles to move? Did you know that calcium aids in release of hormones in your body? If calcium has these important functions, you must have enough calcium every day to maintain good health. Let us look at our recipe now. Take 1 glass of almond milk, 2 dried apricots, figs, dates or prunes, choose any of these, and 1 tablespoon garden cress seeds. These are also known as aliv in Marathi and halim in Hindi. So understand the method. First, soak garden cress seeds for 2 to 3 hours in water. Blend almond milk with a chosen dry fruit. Pour this drink into a glass and add garden cress seeds. Mix it well and drink it during breakfast in the morning or mid morning or evening during snack time. You may even have it as an energizing drink after a workout or a rigorous activity. The ingredients in this drink have nutrients that have positive impact on your overall health. Almond milk has calcium, protein and vitamin D. Garden cress seeds are very good source of calcium. They are also packed with iron, magnesium and phosphorus. Dried fruits such as apricots, dates, figs or prunes are rich in calcium, protein and other micronutrients which are needed by our body. So try this healthy calcium loaded drink to strengthen your bone. You can have a glass of this drink thrice a week. It will also improve your blood circulation, muscle movement and hormonal balance among the other things. Namaskar.